Hello, I'm Doug Backous, and I'd like to bring you up to speed on what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. We have David Casper from the University of Pennsylvania who will be discussing cervical surgery, acute and chronic pathology Tuesday evening at our Interesting Spine case series. The next morning we'll have Dr. Jacques Maracos addressing bypass surgery for flow augmentation and replacement at the Cerebrovascular Conference. My heart, my soul is into the SOAR course, which is coming on March 7th and 9th. Greg Davis, Arif Janja, and I will be putting on a 3-day course, which is really targeting practicing otolaryngologists to bring you up to speed with all current technologies, innovation, and techniques to enhance your practice of otolaryngology, whether that be in a general space or in an academic environment. As always, you can register for any courses at ssfcme.org, and we look forward to seeing you here this week. Thank you.